Guess where I am? You know it. This one's a little messy. They could have cleaned it up a little bit before they gave it to me. I'm trying this new Drumstick Blizzard. I don't know if it's going to be good or bad because I haven't tasted it yet. But it's been a different summer, hasn't it? Before I go, tell me something good that either you did or you had or that happened to you this summer. Even if you don't watch all this video, because this snooze thing on. Even if you don't watch all this video, drop a comment below and let us know something positive, something good that happened to you. Because goodness knows we've seen enough negativity, right? I have been doing all kinds of home maintenance, some of them quite poorly, I'm sure. Fixing up the porch, the deck, burning some trash and some old things that we no longer needed. Happy summer solstice. Fire. Enjoying nature. He's waiting patiently on the meal. Cooking up some of the fine food and vegetables that people are giving me. Trying some of the concoctions with, hey, whatever I can get from Walmart pickup. Some of this stuff turned out pretty good, actually. Yum. Mexican lasagna. Do you know where I am? Did you guess right? I'm going to sit and eat this peacefully in the rain, I guess. Sunshine. Rain. It's one of those rains that smells really good. What are we going to do with him? Well, since these stupid blinds, are you kidding me? Now they're working? They haven't worked for a freaking year, and now I find a solution to the problem and they decide to work. Here's my solution. There's my solution. Okay, I remember now. They do work, go up and down. It's just that the pleat got messed up. So when I pull it up, it doesn't look attractive. Unless I pull it all the way up. I think I like him guarding it better. Solving problems left and right. Sometimes solving these problems give me new problems to solve. What kind of plant is this? Is this random squash? I don't see any blooms. Not sure how it got here unless the birds dropped it. Do you know what kind of birds these are? They're so annoying. Maybe it's these crows. I bought a new carpet shampooer, which I adore. I'll have a video review coming up of that soon. Washed the slip covers in the living room and remembered that the back was broken to the sofa somehow. Spray painted the wrought iron furniture.
I got spray painting my feet today when I worked on the wrought iron furniture. I guess it'll wash off eventually.
Well, I guess I didn't sew one of those pillows up well enough. What fun. One's fine. I have a lot of clean stuffing. It's good. I used to get choco brownie extreme because I love all that chocolate. And so I thought we'd try something a little bit different. Because I'm not too crazy about vanilla ice cream anymore, but it's really some hard cooked fudge there. And this is going to be good. So I'm going to sit and eat this for lunch before I do the rest of my errands. Remember to tell me something good that happened to you. Look at that. Do you see that? What is that? Not really even in a nest, just kind of in a hole in the ground. I haven't seen anything around. What kind of eggs are those? And look, when I went out the next day, the eggs are all scattered about. All I could find was these. Ants were eating up 2 of them. Still don't want to cut it open. That was kind of crunchy. That one's still soft. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. They're just sucking the life out of it, aren't they? Freaking ants. Ants are just eating holes in them, sucking out whatever's in there. Circle of life. What are you going to do? After some research, we think it was snake eggs, and the ants just got to it before anything could happen. You know I like snakes. And I cut probably about 4 inches off of my hair. It definitely looks better and definitely feels better. I'll have a review of the Pantene shampoo and conditioner coming up. I actually have a lot of review videos to do. I just have to sit down and edit the videos. I've been so busy doing the filming and the work that I haven't had time to get the videos up. Yay, we have ice. And this is a design flaw. For on. Oh, now it's all frozen again. This part's freezing up. Well, we don't have an ice maker for long. Looks like it's all stuck in there. Look at that. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Didn't spew water out the back. If I did fix the ice maker, this is what I used. There was ice frozen in a valve. I had to thaw it out. I used this to push the ice through, and this to force hot water through the valve. I put magnets up in a towel to try to catch it because it was just spewing out of that. I watched a video, and exactly what was happening was this would try to pour water into the ice maker, and it would just pop off, and water was coming down here. So I wrote myself directions on the back of taped them on the back of the refrigerator so that next time I know, and I'm going to put this chopstick here so I can measure. Because if there's no ice in this white pipe or valve, this has to go all the way down like that. And that's how I can tell that it's clear. I had thought that when I had it this far that there was no ice in there, but I was wrong. Now I know. Now I remember. Now I'll have my tools and instructions for next year if it's the same thing. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching the ads because that's how we make our money. Thank you. Stay cool. Bye.